Greetings everyone. This time we're going to check a fragment of this article called Our Brains Are No Match for Our Technology. Let's begin. Turning point. In July, the Federal Trade Commission announced that it would fine Facebook 5 million, the largest penalty ever levied by the agency for consumer privacy violations. A decade ago, Edward O. Wilson, the Harvard professor and renowned father of sociobiology, was asked whether humans would be able to solve the crisis that would confront them over the next 100 years. Yes, if we are honest and smart, he replied, the problem of humanity is the following. We have Paleolithic emotions, medieval institutions, and godlike technology. Since Mr. Wilson's observation, technology's godlike powers have increased dramatically while the ancient Paleolithic impulses of our brains have remained the same. Yet, this isn't usually one of the complaints leveled against technology companies today, that the digital infrastructures of Facebook and Google have overwhelmed the natural capacities of our brains. Instead, we hear concerns that tech firms are collecting and tracking our personal data, or that they're simply too big. Let's imagine that we managed to solve the privacy issue in this new utopia. We would own our data, and tech giants would be forbidden from tracking our online whereabouts. They would have access only to the data we agreed to share. While we might see fewer creepy ads and feel less paranoid about surveillance, the troubling trends connected to the online world would remain unaddressed. Okay, finally, our addiction to social validation and bursts of likes would continue to destroy our attention spans. Our brains would still be drawn to outrage and angry tweets, replacing democratic debate with childlike he said, she said. Teenagers would remain vulnerable to online social pressure and cyberbullying, harming their mental health. Content algorithms would continue to drive us down rabbit holes toward extremism and conspiracy theories, since automating recommendations is cheaper than paying human editors to decide what's worth our time. Radical content incubated in insular online communities would continue to inspire mass shootings. By influencing 2 billion brains in these ways, today's social media holds the pain of world history. The forces it has unleashed will affect future elections and even our ability to tell the fact from fiction, increasing the division within society. That's it.